This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable auto-delete messages on Telegram. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Telegram app. To enable or disable auto-delete messages, first thing you want to do is open up the settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom, down to my little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and tap on Privacy and Security. Then right down here, Auto Delete Messages. As you can see, mine is currently turned off. I'm going to tap on Auto Delete Messages. It gives me several different options here. It says Self-Destruct Timer. As you can see, I am currently off. I could set it to after 1 day. It will automatically delete after 1 day. I could set it to after 1 week, after 1 month, or I could set a custom time. If I tap on custom time, it'll bring this up here and you can set a custom time. Down below that it says, if enabled, all new messages and chats you start will automatically delete for everyone at some point after they have been sent. This will not affect your existing messages. But that is how to enable or disable auto-delete messages on Telegram. Thanks for watching.